One of the funnest things to do in South Mississippi on a hot summer day is get on Black Creek. That's what we did today.
Riding around the county, drinking from a jar. Big blue canoe up on top of the bar. Hop in, darling, don't be a stranger. Sit back and relax, 'cause you ain't in no danger. Well, broken loose and spills trouble to me. Rather stay out here under the trees. There's a wind on the lake, stars in the sky. What else do you need to make you feel high? I wanna ride with you in my blue canoe. Baby, let's go riding, slipping and sliding in my blue canoe. You bring the ice chest and I get the bait. Meet me at the lake and don't be late, 'cause I was hanging around, dragging me down. I gotta get behind the wheel and get the hell out of town. Too many people, too many cars, too many nights and too many bars. The noggins getting soggy and my spirits are sagging. Time to take a ride in my blue water wagon. I wanna ride with you in my blue canoe. Baby, let's go riding, slipping and sliding in my blue
Well, thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, and if you can, give us a little like there. Thanks again, and remember guys, it's just better down here.